Ew. Ah! Did the duck got that?
Oh no, 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 no. Oh my God.
Get out!
He sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
Oh my God, did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1 and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ! I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here. Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Playing with lions is important to never show fear. Come on, keep kicking him.
Oh, I'm so glad I was recording that.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail and Mom and 2 cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Clever. No, zelf clever. Tam leży, widzisz?
You. Oh. Oh. Ah! No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Holy...